Hey, I see the little babies are out playing. There's the little calico. And there's one of the little brindles. I don't know where the others are right now. Oh, there's one. There's one of them. Yeah. Yeah, and there's another little brindle. Yeah. There's 4 of them right there. Aren't they cute? I'm fixing to give them something to eat. Look at that one. They fixing to have a standoff there. Oh, that one's going after that other one. Yeah. Isn't that cute? I like it when they walk sideways like that. That's cute. Oh, get him, get him. Oh, yeah. Woo. Little yeah. Little peaches, I think. I call that calico peaches. Oh, here comes the little boy, the little orange and white one. Yeah. Oh, wow. They all gonna have their fight there. That's pretty good. Oh, go up the tree, baby. No, I can't make it up.
He's checking it out.
Oh, okay.
He's under that bicycle.
Yeah.
Over there by it.
Yeah. Isn't that cute? All right. That's cute. Oh, chase him, chase him. Yeah.
Like I said, there's nothing cute.
Oh, I know it. There is.